today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Notion workspace aesthetics with a setting. Let's make your Notion look cleaner, easier to read, and more you, using just a few built-in options. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, head to Settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the gear icon or opening the Workspace menu on the left. In Settings, look for the Appearance section. This is where you choose between light and dark. Light gives you a bright, crisp look that's great for daytime and bright rooms. Dark is easier on the eyes in low light and can reduce glare. Pick the one that feels comfortable and helps you focus. It instantly changes the look across your workspace so you can see the difference right away. Next, open a page you use often and go to the three dots in the upper right corner. This is the page menu where you'll find layout and typography tweaks that affect this page. First, try the full width option. Turning this on lets content stretch across your screen, which is helpful for wide databases, multi-column layouts, or large images. If you prefer more breathing room and a tidy reading experience, keep it off for a narrower page. Then check out small text. This reduces the text size a bit and fits more information on the screen. It's ideal for dashboards or dense notes. If readability is your priority, leave it off and enjoy larger, more relaxed text. You can also change the font for the page. Notion offers a few clean choices. The default font is balanced and modern, great for most pages. A serif font gives a more traditional, editorial feel, nice for long-form writing and reading. A monospaced font aligns letters evenly, which can be helpful for code snippets, technical notes, or when you want a structured look. Try each one and see which best supports the content and your personal style. As you adjust these options, keep your use case in mind. Dashboards and project boards often benefit from full width and small text, while reading heavy pages may look better with a narrower view and a friendlier font. Remember, these changes are easy to toggle on and off, so don't hesitate to experiment. Nothing here will break your pages or affect your teammates' ability to collaborate. It simply shapes how your content looks and feels as you work. That's it. Quick, simple tweaks that make a big difference. Open Notion, set your appearance, fine-tune your page layout and fonts, and enjoy a workspace that supports your focus and reflects your taste.